Hey everybody, in today's simple little video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a cabin air filter. It's the air filter that goes inside your vehicle and helps keep your air pollen free and dust free and all of that stuff. I've never checked this particular car's one before, so I don't really know what to expect, but I hope this video in some way helps you guys out. I know dealerships, when I first got a brand new car that had a cabin air filter, they would rip you the heck off to change it. I don't remember the cost, but I think it was near $100 to do it. And the filter, I think, is probably 15 or 20. And it just takes a few minutes of your time to do it. So 2003 Toyota Camry with the 4-cylinder is our demo car today. Let's get started. All right, so here we are on the passenger side of the Camry. I'm gonna open up the glove box. Once it's opened up over here, it has a simple little screw. It's a Phillips head. Take our Phillips. We'll unscrew the screw. We'll take a look and see what's going on with this one's air filter. I made a previous video doing this on a Subaru Forester, so you can search for that one too if you'd like. So we just pull that off of there, so that's loose. Then usually it's got a little thing here that keeps it from dropping down, so you just push on it a little. Pull on it, I mean, on both sides. Push, and then the whole thing drops down. And then we've got the inside here. I'll back up a little so you can get the whole effect here. So you can look down in here and you can see this cartridge rectangular shaped thing is the filter itself. So we're just going to pull the filter out of it. So you just grab it, pull it. This one says Toyota on it. Oh my gosh. So we've got a York peppermint patty wrapper and a bunch of other debris and junk inside of it. So for right now, dump out that. Just gonna give this thing a little love tap. Look at all the garbage that was inside of this filter. Well, after tapping on it, it's a little cleaner.
Talking to yourself?
Talking to my millions of viewers on YouTube.
Yeah?
The part where the air is coming from, a little dirty, but I don't feel like it's enough to replace it or anything like that. But definitely replace these on a regular interval. This particular filter shows what direction up is. Toyota Denso filter, I mean, goodness. I don't think this would be the original filter. It's just too clean for that, but might consider replacing it just because it is a Toyota filter. And, you know, maybe they just took it to the dealership for service all the time. I'm not sure. So installation, same as reverse. You'd find your up arrow. I think my Subaru didn't have an up arrow, so pay attention to how it looks when it comes out. You slide it right back up into its little hole and then lift the glove box. It's got hinges, so you gotta line up the hinges and push the tabs back in that keep it from falling out of the whole thing and redo the screw and you're back in business. Hope this video helps some people out there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.